Hello, Raphaël.
Hello, Jérémy. Welcome to our Direct Current Dialogues. In episode 12, Jérémy Paupardin from LEM International shares how they are advancing DC as a current OS partner. So, Jérémy, why develop DC?
Sure, Raphaël, thank you. First of all, DC, meaning direct current, like AC, is related to energy. And energy is key factor for development at every scale, from a single cell to an entire country. Take a simple example. If a sportsman does not eat, he doesn't have enough energy to perform. His performance will drop. And in extreme case, he might even pass out. Okay, so now you scale that up to the country level. When a country does not have enough energy, it has to take difficult decisions. So should we prioritize its industry or make sure that people can cook in the evening at home? That is how critical energy is. It's essential to live and to grow. On top of that, we are already seeing power network under strength. For an example, in countries like in Netherlands or in Australia, part of the AC grid, of course, are already saturated. In the UK, France, the US, or in Japan, we are also seeing the same signs of grid congestions starting to appear. Demand of electricity is only going to rise in the coming years. So we clearly need solutions. Now you might ask, why not just expand the AC networks, right?
Exactly. What is the benefit of DC?
I would say, think about where our energy is coming from today. We use more and more renewable, like solar power. And solar panel produce, I let you guess.
DC electricity.
Exactly. Every time you convert that electricity, that energy from DC to AC or back again, for example, to charge your electric vehicle, you lose some of it. By working directly in DC and avoiding those conversions, you will avoid those losses that we estimate around 15%. That ties directly back to our first question. DC helps us to use our energy more efficiently.
So, why didn't we think about this before?
30 years ago, solar was not as widespread, so it didn't make so much sense. Today, it does. Another point is infrastructure. If you generate energy locally, let's say with solar panel, you don't need to invest much in building new power infrastructure. And ideally, you combine your panel with the local storage, like battery or your electric car, which can serve as a battery too, by the way. This setup smooths out your energy use, lower your energy bill, and reduce pressure on the national grid. That's less need for large-scale AC infrastructure, so fewer public expense, and even better, if you produce more energy that you use, you can even sell it back.
So, how is LEM International engaging with CurrentOS to drive the implementation of DC?
LEM International has been a trusted name in electrical measurement for decades. Most of our sensor works both with AC and DC. So we are already supporting companies that want to test and build DC grid projects. Being part of CurrentOS is also a way for us to stay at the forefront, so we can keep offering the most adapted and optimized solution for tomorrow's energy systems.
Thank you, Jérémy. And you know, indeed, it's one of the goals of companies joining CurrentOS to be ready for the direct current microgrid revolution. More electrical devices manufacturers are joining CurrentOS to build microgrids to harness solar and support public grids. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.